Hello, this is my computer and it consists of 3 4870s, a Phenom 2 720 Black Edition processor, RAM, 2 fans, a hard drive, 1 terabyte in size, a 1000 watt power supply which is modular. The fan on the processor is the AMD stock fan. I'll just zoom in to give you everyone a better look. Those are the 3 4870s in crossfire mode. The hard drive and the intake fan. The Phenom 2 processor underneath that fan, which is a stock fan. The power supply of 1000 watts. And the RAM underneath those cables. Yep, the RAM. That is the RAM. There's 4 sticks, totaling to 8 gigabytes. This is the monitor I use for this computer. It's a 19-inch monitor. This is my computer again. I actually constructed this computer myself. I've got a 790 motherboard as well, which all the components are installed into. A 790 FX motherboard, DDR2 version, but does the job quite nicely, enabling 4 PCI Express slots. Various cables, SATA cables, power cables, Molex cables, which is a power cable, SATA power cables are consisting of making up this system. I've also got a CD-ROM drive, which I'm trying to focus on, but you can't see exactly from that angle. Let me see if I can turn the camera a bit to squeeze in. It's tucked away quite right there. It's right there behind that blue fastened. It's in a top bracket anyway. By this screw there. Behind that is the CD-ROM drive, which is Blu-ray and HD DVD compatible. This is my rig, computer. The next computer I would like to build will be a Core i7 DirectX 11 computer when those parts are ready and available, or maybe a DirectX 11 with the next generation of Intel chips, 32 nanometers, whatever they may be, or be calls, but that would be very much more, I think, a sensible build instead of going for a Core i7, because this one can give a Core i7 a run for its money, you know, and the DirectX 11 parts are not even out yet. But you know, that's what I've got to show you. Subscribe to my site if you're interested, and keep watching.